This is definitely false graph. So cute. It still has a tag on it. I was excited to find this vintage suitcase. So. Cute. These are cute salt and pepper shakers. It's not too bad of a price either. So it's so weird because they categorize things by color in this one. So like reds, blues. I've never seen that before. It's a very unique way to organize it. This is definitely false graph. Yep. Right, some baskets. $3.99. It's a really sturdy basket though. It's really falling apart. Needlework. It is. Huh. Someone actually made that, like needlework. For what? That's really pretty. What size is it? A medium at $7.99. Oof. And that's hefty. So cute. It still has a tag on it. Oh goodness. That is so cute. I may just have to get that. That is adorable. So we found the Goodwill Outlet store. So I've been here once in Omaha and they have just bins full of stuff. And I believe they do it when you check out, they weigh it. And so that's how much you pay is by weight. So we're gonna go in and see what they have, and who knows how long we'll be here or not. But I can't have too much because we only have just some of the space in the back vehicle. So no furniture. We'll only have to go back and get our girls some grandmas too. Yeah, so I have to make sure to limit myself. No big furniture, no big pieces, anything like that. But I'm excited to go see what's in this outlet store. Grab this shopping cart. Just start digging, huh?
Yeah.
That's how it works. Lots of things are broken though. Wow. Yeah, books. I would do them just for decorating. That's pretty. This is a nice tray. Bunch of golf balls. Here you go, Blaze. That'd be a heavy one. Alright, so I'm at our Airbnb down in Omaha, and we were able to go to a Goodwill and the Goodwill Outlet where you saw all the bins. And so that's kind of a fun experience. It's kind of a gritty experience because your hands, you're just looking through things all the time that are used, you know, and then they bring new bins out every, I don't know, half hour or an hour. And so I did find about $20 worth of items at that. I didn't find anything at just the normal Goodwill, and the normal Goodwill prices were much more decent than they are where I usually go. So I have quite a few pieces. Like I said, I paid about $21 for all of this. It was like $1.56 a pound. So they go by pound at the Goodwill Outlet store. So I'll start with the home decor first. A few of the pieces I picked up, I'm kind of regretting because they're a little bit worn out looking actually. So I got these wicker placemats, and I have some on my walls in my kitchen that I have hung, and I really liked the oval shape. This, I thought they'd be fun to display for spring with something on it, like in the middle of my table, because I have had a basket on there before, but put this on there with some flowers. A few of them are worn out, so like the back of this one is fraying. There's some of the strings coming out here and here, and the bottom one was really bad. Yeah, this one's really worn out. But I grabbed 4. I think I did end up seeing that there were 6. Oh yeah, it's losing its wicker everywhere. Ooh. You know what? I might just throw this one before I even get home. So sometimes when you're at the outlet bins, you just kind of grab things because that's what people are doing. And it's just kind of like a fun hunt, like I said. All right, so I got those. I was excited to find this vintage suitcase. So this was fun. It's tan and brown, and it's got some wear on it. You know, these are always great for storage. You can tell it was at just a regular Goodwill for $3.99. I didn't even open it. It's got a nice handle there. So maybe I should just open it here for you. There you go. Just striped paper on the inside. So those are kind of nice for storage if you need extra storage, especially in small spaces. Kind of cute to maybe put under a nightstand or something and then have a plant on it. Different ways to do that. It has a little ding in it there, but it's kind of fun. And the hard covers are really nice because then they don't break. So that I will most likely be keeping. All right, there are 2 of these horse picture frames. It says $1.99 on the back of it because that's probably what it was at the other Goodwill. And it's just kind of, I don't know, it's just kind of unique. I'm not really like a huge horse person, but I thought it would be kind of fun to hang somewhere in a collage of other photos or just to have one picture. But it's really lightweight, so I picked that up. And like I said, there were 2, but I didn't grab the other one because it was pretty worn out. Like it's held in by nails on the back right now, but just that dark wood frame. It's probably like 6 inches by 8 inches, but cute little picture there of some horses. All right, my last home decor. This cost more, I'm sure, because it is a heavy wood bowl. I just think it's so pretty. So it says Goodwood Genuine Teak Thailand. So it was made in Thailand. My grandpa makes wood bowls too, and this reminded me of him. And so I thought, oh, this would be kind of fun to have. Store some keys in it. You could also put potted plant in there, like just make a little tablescape. You could put your fruit in it, and maybe that's what I would do, is like put my bananas in it or something on top of our fridge, because it's just it's dirty, but it's just really pretty. And I love that shape. It's like 3 inches high, rounded. Yeah, just worn look. So about that big of a spread, but really pretty bowl. And like I said, pretty heavy duty. So that probably about 2 pounds. That probably weighed a little bit more. All right, on to, oh, I did get one book, I Will Love You, for my girls. It says, at nighttime fall, a mama owl introduces her baby to the beautiful nocturnal world around them. So just, I thought, a really pretty book to get my girls. Anyways, I thought that would be fun to pick up for them. All right, then I got a few things for my girls and some items for myself as well. So my almost 2-year-old is in need of some new shoes. These are Cat and Jack, size 6, because that's what she's needing. And so I thought, oh, if I could find a pair, often they're just all buried, separated. So just little Velcro top, cute little pink shoes. And that same girl also has some size 5 rain boots, but she is a size 6. These are size 7, but I thought they might work for right now. They're Western Chief brand, really cute pink sparkly boots. So I think she's gonna like those. I had to pick up this adorable little baby girl, 3 to 6 month onesie for a friend. I am expecting, if you didn't know that yet, and I am due in May. We don't know what we're having though, so, but I just picked this up, really cute. Little onesie, little red flowers on there. So I thought that was adorable. It is Old Navy brand, and so this is for a friend, not for me per se, because I have a lot of girls' clothes already for my other 2 girls. This, I wasn't sure of the size, but it's just so cute. I think it's a little big for my daughter, who is almost 4. It says size small, so I don't know what that would be, but just like that orangey color. It has some pockets, has a button down on the back. I just thought that would be so adorable. Oh, it's missing a button. It's missing 2 buttons. Oh, that would be why it was gotten rid of. But I know how to sew buttons on. They're just orange little buttons there, so maybe I'll have to just mix match, and this will just be a play dress. That is why sometimes you look things over better than I did at that moment. All right, some more clothes. I got this sweater, kind of looks like this one. This one's a maternity one, and I didn't want maternity, but this was a Gap, really loose, flowy sweater. I donated a lot of my sweaters, cardigans, I should say, quite a while back, because they were just pilling. I had them for like 5-6 years, and so I thought, okay, if I find something decent that I like, I'm gonna pick it up. So I got this one. It's an extra small, which is small, but you see how it's just kind of, it's very big. It's about the same color as this, tan, and so I thought that would work just fine to have for postpartum, or even now. Like, you can wear normal size sweaters when you're pregnant too. And I did find another one. I wasn't sure what one I liked, so my husband just told me get them both. This is the Candies brand, so I don't know if that's like Kohl's or Walmart. This is a lot more lightweight. As you can see, it's gray, and this one is a large, so it is bigger, but it looks like the sleeves run small. Has some pockets, so just something for here in the spring months to keep me a little bit warmer. They'll transition into fall really well. It's just been a lot colder this spring than we're used to. Like, it's supposed to be only in the 40s for beginning of April here, and it usually should be 50s or 60s. Then I got one last shirt for myself. This is a large, but it looks so comfortable. It's, I don't think it has the brand, but it says established 1946. So a large, so that'll be a little bit big, but I like this striped look for summer. It'd be nice to wear like semi-tucked in into high-waisted mom jean when I'm thinking about postpartum here. Like I said, very lightweight, so nice for evenings or a cooler summer day. I'll roll the sleeves up if I wanted. It's a very soft material as well, so I'm excited about that. And I don't know what size I'm gonna be after I have a baby. I mean, I'm usually pretty good about jumping back on my weight, but each postpartum is different, and so it could be different for this one. Anyways, I think that's everything I was able to get. Oh, I did get some vintage Christmas wrapping paper. I left that out in the vehicle, but so I just picked that up to have for Christmas time. It was like green with some, I think it had like some ivy and holly on it or lights on it, one of the two. But it was fun to go out and do that. Omaha is a place where Kristen Hoffman lives, so I definitely can see why she gets some great things. There's some wonderful pieces to be found at all the Goodwills. There's so many Goodwills in Omaha. We have like 2 that are decent in our local town, the local city where I am semi-close to. But this was a fun little outing with my husband while we're able to get away, sitting in our Airbnb, so not my normal view for you, but tried to make best with stacking you on some books here as well. Anyways, hope you enjoyed coming along with this thrifting adventure to some different Goodwills and Goodwill outlets. If you're in this area, check them out if you are on the hunt for some good deals. And anyways, I will talk with you in my next video next time. All right, bye.